Are you someone who is doubting yourself, your ability, because you made some mistakes in the past, you missed some opportunities in the past, or there were some traumatic or unfavorable situations or events that happened in the past? If that is the case, this video is for you. You see, many times our past experiences haunt us and lead us to self-sabotage, doubt ourselves and doubt our abilities. But that doesn't mean that something that has happened in the past will continue to happen in the present and future as well. Your past is gone and you cannot go back in your past and recreate those stories, recreate those events and opportunities in your favor, right? You can't do that. But the best thing is that you have it present in your hand to work on and your future that you can create on however you want to do that. So today I'm going to share with you 5 steps how you can come out of your painful, your past that's not letting you take action in your present, not letting you go forward and create a new future for yourself. So are you with me? Let's begin with step number 1. First, begin with acknowledging that your past might have significant impact on your present and might have led to your present behavior and mindset. Those experiences have shaped your beliefs today and that have developed some of the limiting beliefs in you that are not letting you to move forward and take some action or do something that you really want to do. You have set up some goals for you, but you're not able to move in that direction for some fears that have been caused by your past experiences. First step is to acknowledge those. Step number 2 is to repair your past by accepting what has happened in the past and forgiving what all has happened, forgiving yourself and others. See, what all has happened, you cannot go back and reverse that, right? But then accepting and forgiving yourself is the best that we can do so that we can be more, we have compassion for ourselves and we are not very harsh on ourselves, right? Then reflect on your past and try to work on what you can improve, what you can learn from the past, what mistakes that you have made. This will help you to come out of the past, come out of the bad stories, come out of the bad impressions from the past and create a brighter future for yourself. It will help you to see a new avenue for yourself. Move forward with embracing new opportunities that you have in the present and possibilities in the future and create a new future for yourself, right? This will give you a sense of purpose and clarity to move ahead in life. Step number 3, redefine your past and work on your present by making new choices, taking new decisions, overcome the labels and identities that you had in the past and reframe them to have a new identity for yourself. Try to give new stories to your subconscious that excites you. Let go of the limiting beliefs and explore new opportunities, explore new things, try doing new things that excites you. Step number 4, cultivate a growth mindset by believing in yourself. You are a capable person. Everything around you is because of you. Understand how important you are. Every day, every week, every year brings new avenues and opens new opportunities and possibilities for you. Go all in and make your own playground. Step number 5, surround yourself with people who inspire you, appreciate you, motivate you, who encourage you to do more. Seek help from others, take guidance from others. Join communities that gives you positive energy and enthusiasm. Not only inspire yourself from others, but also inspire others from your actions. You know you are an amazing person. You are here to inspire others. You are here to help others, motivate others. You have unlimited opportunities and possibilities waiting for you. So just go ahead. It's time for you to take charge and embark on a new journey for a better future, better you. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. My name is Kamlesh Propel. I can't do, I can.